What's up traders? So for today we're gonna do a nice 5-minute scalping video. In this video we're gonna implement this new strategy and we're gonna see what the results are. I'm gonna backtest this strategy of course 100 times. So let's dive right in the video and let's take a look if we can make some nice money with this strategy. Before we start this video guys, let me just talk about BYBIT for a second. BYBIT is one of the best interfaces to trade on and has a very low fees. So I would highly recommend to use BYBIT for all your trading endeavors. If you want to support our channel and make more money on your trades, it's important to use BYBIT as your broker. If you use our referral code, you can get a bonus up to $600. We really appreciate the support guys, thanks. Alright guys, so now let's dive right in the scalping strategy video. So first off, for this scalping video we're gonna need two indicators. The first one is not gonna be a surprise to you guys, it's gonna be the moving average. So add the moving average and we're gonna adjust the settings of the moving average right now. So let's adjust the settings. For this strategy we're gonna use a time frame and length of 90. So 90. This is going to be the correct length for this scalping video. So we're going to add this one, right? And besides that, we're going to add the other indicator and it's called the CCI trend V1.0. And it's this one, it's from Hitmedicine. Also add this one. And besides this, we're gonna adjust the settings a bit, and then I'm gonna explain the strategy towards you guys, and of course I'm gonna backtest it. So now let's just add something to this indicator, the CCI trend indicator. I'm gonna adjust one thing. CCI length needs to be 34, ATR length is gonna be 5, but the ATR multiplier needs to be 1.7. This is important for this strategy, guys. So first things first, check it one more time. CCI length 34, ATR 5 and ATR multiplier 1.7. The moving average is gonna be 90. So now you got the correct settings for the scalping strategy. Now let's explain how this strategy works and how you can make some money out of this strategy. Maybe the most important thing for any strategy. Alright guys. This strategy is incredibly easy to use. The first rule of course is we only short below the EMA 90 and we only take a long position when the price is above the EMA 90. So for example, now I'm gonna explain a short position and let's wait until the price is below the EMA 90 and the short position signal gives a signal so we can take a short position. So price action is above, so that wasn't really a short position. So what we're seeing right now is that the price is below the purple EMA 90, but we always take a short position after the confirmation candle. So to wait the next candle, this is where you can take a short position. The strategy clearly says you can take a short position. The price is below the EMA 90, so now we can take a short position. For this strategy, we're going to take a risk reward of 1.5. This is also quite important. So first off, let's take a short position right on this candle. Our stop loss are going to be on the wick high or the wick low. And the risk reward is going to be 1.5. So this is going to be our TP, take profit. So what we're seeing right now that the target got hit and we are in a nice profit with this strategy. This is actually just a very easy strategy to use. You can take a short position when there's a short signal. Price needs to be below EMA 90 and then you can take a short position. For the long position, it's vice versa. So now let's explain a long position. With a long position, the price needs to be above the purple lines. So it needs to be above the MA 90. So now let's wait until that happens and we get a long signal. So what we're seeing right now is that the price is above the EMA 90. So here was a long signal. Here's our first long signal, but always wait for that confirmation candle. So this is gonna be the position where you can take a long position. All right, so now let's take that long position. First off, here it is. Okay, the stop loss is gonna be at the wick low. And my risk reward, of course, will be 1.5 for this strategy. So right now, let's see how this long position will play out. All right, so the target got hit. This is how you can take a long position. Now I'm going to backtest this strategy and we're going to see the results. I'm curious what the results are going to be. I will get back in a couple of minutes with you guys and show you the results. Alright guys, so the CCI trend V1 is placed at number 8. I've backtested 100 times. What I've noticed guys is the highest probability of a successful trade is when the price action is way above or way below the 90 MA line. So when the strategy gives a short or a long signal way above or below the 90 EMA line, this is one of the best chances to get a successful trade. When the price is consolidating at the 90 MA level, the probability of the trade going wrong is gonna be higher. So first things first, let's take a look at how the CCI trend V1 performed against the other strategies. So it was placed at number 8. It was traded at a 5-minute time frame. The risk reward for this strategy was 1.5. The trades that I took were 100, and the time it took to take all these 100 trades was 39 days. The highest win streak with this trend indicator was 5, and the most consecutive losses in a row were 4. The win rate was 54%, and the stop loss was at the swing high or swing low. The go out was 5.40%, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one, and take care.